You're going to cross them over like a cross. Jesus is coming to help you.
Me keep it strong and don't never leave me. Money be talking, I remember they ain't never see me. Why you the only one I want? I got several reasons. I keep that Glock, I die for you and I forever. Got everybody hating on us and I know why. Money talking like a preacher and there's no lie. Won't say a word when it go down, I hit the block with that metal. Trying to test me money, I bet it, and I'm never gonna sell it.
What's up YouTube? You already know who it is, your girl Jazzy. I am pretty, I am cute, I am Jazzy. Who are you? And today I'm going to be showing you how to do your box braids. So it's going to be a box braids tutorial, so stay tuned. You're going to be needing some materials. So the materials and products that you're going to need for this style.
Obviously your hair, some gel, a comb, a brush, a toothbrush or an edges brush, duck clips, and clippies. So first I just start to comb out my hair to get all of the tangles and knots out. Then I part my hair from the back. Use a mirror to make sure your part in the back is straight. Use duck clips to clip it up, all the extra hair. I'm using the Kanekalon hair, 100% Kanekalon. So this is what the hair looks like. Oh, ooh, really soft. Ooh, feel that weave, girl. I take some olive oil and I put it in my hand and I put it on the hair. I put it on the hair and I smooth it through, put it all through it to make it shiny and make it more silky. You feel me? So I comb that through. Comb it through, girl. Then this is the stretching part. You pay attention to this part. You gotta stretch that out. Stretch out the hair. Some weaves come pre-stretched, but this one, Connect Along, is not. So you gotta stretch it yourself. So stretch that out by pulling little pieces of hair. Yes, girl. Then you're going to part it. Part it to the size that you want your box braids to be. Me, I'm doing little ones. Then you part that into two. One side will be less hair than the other. You're going to cross them over like a cross. Jesus is coming to help you. You're going to cross it over like a cross, girl. Cross that over. Then you're going to swing it around like a loop. And it's going to make these two strands. You're going to make 3 strands because in order to braid, you need 3. So you're going to take the thinner side, pinch it with your 2 fingers, and then you're going to twist the hair. Twist the hair until you have one right there in between your 2 fingers. That's going to be the hair you're going to be braiding into your real natural hair. So then you're going to part off a section. Use a mirror to help you. Comb out that. Use some gel to be able to put on your roots to make sure it's slicked down. Then you're going to start braiding your hair into the weave. You're going to get a tight grip on your scalp and on your roots so it can be tight and hold on to your natural hair. While you're braiding, you're going to use gel to be able to hold your hair and the weave together. Then you're just going to basically repeat the process over and over again until your whole head is done. Okay, so these are what my braids look like so far. As you can see, I added the red in there already. As you get to the front part of your hair, you will want to comb out all of your edges as you're going so you won't have any stuck into your braids and look bald headed. I use Gorilla Glue as I'm halfway done braiding the hair to help it stay. Then I just put a rubber band at the end of them to help them stay.
Your hair will look like this. It's the length. I put rubber bands on the bottoms to seal the ends so it won't unravel. So see here. And then the last thing you have to do is dip your hair, the ends in water to seal them, hot boiling water. And then you gotta do your edges.
Oh, I did these really small on accident.
So that's why they're okay, but I don't really love them because I did them extra small on accident and it like shaped my head. But the other ones I did, right here, they were medium sized. But, so that's why it took longer. It took 2.5 days and they're really smaller, so.
So you're going to get a pot and you're going to put water in it and put it on the stove. Just about halfway on the stove. And you're gonna put it on, I'm gonna put it on 6 so it can go faster and get boiling hot. You're gonna want it to be really steaming hot so you can know it's going to be able to seal your ends. The elegance face in 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now that was an ugly. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, go. Then you're gonna take your pot of hot boiling water, and you can probably see the steam. You pour it in your cup. Take this out, and you're going to take your towel and get the cup so it won't have any, you won't have no burns or anything because the water is so boiling hot. Put your towel around yourself and you put all your hair to one side. I'm gonna get this much hair. See me get go up right now. See me get right now. Don't stop right now. See me get grab right now. See me grab right now. Stop right now. I don't remember. Okay. Get your gel. Get your edges brush, whatever brush you want. I'm gonna put my hair up so you can see.
Whoa, baby, look at them underarms.
Excuse my underarms. I have to shave. Now you're gonna pull out your edges, bro. Just pull out your edges.
But you gotta type a little bit. And I always little waves, it's just because of the fact that like, but that's why you like to do. finished product.
That's how you install your box braids by yourself. Okay. Congratulations, you did it. You made it through to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But give me a thumbs up. Let me know how I did. Comment down below more videos you would like to see from Juan. Thank you very much. Almost to 600 subscribers. Jazzy out.